Welcome, here I've got Honor 9X Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now we have to change it because the leveler here is only available in the Pro mode. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and now let's pick the Pro. So here we are, don't be scared about this mode, you can also use these settings on the auto, or I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of these buttons. Now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we tap here, we can open the advanced camera settings. Most of them is also in the standard photo mode, but in the Pro we have in the capture settings category one extra thing, the horizontal level option. So this is our leveler. By using this button from the right we can turn it on or turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turn it on. Let's go back to the camera to see it. And now we have this line here. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how it works. And of course, when we don't need it, we can go back to the right corner and use this button to turn it off. So for now the leveler has gone. We can also tap here to this Pro button to go back to the standard photo mode. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.